This story, Birth, deals with the fact that how a lady suffers during the delivery time, during the giving birth a child, and the great effort done by a doctor. How a novice doctor works hardly, dedicatedly, and determinedly, being determined that he succeeds anyhow, and that thing, that hard work and saving the life of that newborn child makes the whole career of that doctor. So this is the theme of this lesson related to the hard work, dedication and devotion from the side of a doctor to his patient who was the newborn child, just after the delivery child. So I shall now would like to start birth. Birth means Jan, written by A.J. Cronin. In this excerpt means the extract, little small taken part. मीन्स जब कोई बड़ी सी स्टोरी होती है उसमें से एक छोटा सा भाग लेकर कहीं डिस्क्रिप्शन किया जाता है, तो वह जो छोटा सा भाग होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्सर्प्ट. फ्रॉम द सिटाडेल, एंड्रू मैनसन, न्यूली आउट ऑफ मेडिकल स्कूल. कह रहे कि एंड्रू मैनसन जो हैं वाज अ डॉक्टर and he has written this book, The Citadel, and this present lesson is the small part taken from that book, The Citadel, written by the Andrew Mason, novice doctor, newly out of medical. Newly out of medical का मतलब बस मेडिकल की पढ़ाई करके अभी बाहर ही आए थे स्कूल. has just begun his medical practice as an assistant to Dr. Edward Page in the small Welsh mining town of Blenheim. कह रहे हैं कि वो पढ़ाई पूरी करके जस्ट अभी आए ही थे और एक डॉक्टर थे, डॉक्टर एडवर्ड पेज, उनके अंडर में रह करके ये अपना सीख रहे थे प्रैक्टिकल मेडिकल. As he is returning from a disappointing evening with Christine, one day what happened? As soon he returned and reached to his home at one evening, being tired, the girl he loves, he is met by Joe Morgan. And there was a girl whom he loved, means the doctor, novice doctor Andrew Manson loved was the Joe Morgan. Joe Morgan was the beloved of the doctor, novice doctor. His wife, who have been married nearly 20 years, are expecting their first child. कह रहे हैं कि एक बैग, जो मार्गन जो है एक बैग मिले इनसे डॉक्टर के पास, और उनकी वाइफ हु हैव बीन मैरिड, जो शीघ्र ही इन दोनों की शादी हुई थी, नियरली 20 ईयर्स, लगभग 20 साल हो गए थे, नियर अबाउट 20 साल के थे, आर एक्सपेक्टिंग देयर फर्स्ट चाइल्ड, और वो जो थे पहले बच्चे की इच्छा कर रहे थे, दे वेयर इन वेटिंग ऑफ द फर्स्ट चाइल्ड. सो व्हाट हैपेंड? Let us start. Though it was nearly midnight when Andrew reached Brangower, he found Joe Morgan waiting for him. After completing the whole day work, when novice doctor, the sitter Andrew Manson, was returning home, and as soon as did he return, or no sooner did he return, suddenly a person, Joe Morgan, just came before him, who was waiting for a long time at his home. मीन्स वह जो ही घर पहुंचे तो ही उनके पास जो मॉर्गन नाम का एक व्यक्ति आया जो कि उनका बहुत देर से इंतजार कर रहा था. Walking up and down with short steps between the closed surgery means medical, इनका दुकान कह सकते हो डॉक्टरी, and the entrance to the house. At the sight of him, the burly driller's face expressed relief. Suddenly burly driller means the person who was taking step, means walking to and fro very seriously. कह रहा है कि वह व्यक्ति इनका इंतजार कर रहा था, तो उसी इनके सर्जरी के सामने इनके वरांडे में घूम रहा था इधर उधर इनके इंतजार में, और जब अचानक इन्हें देखा, जब वह शख्स इन्हें अचानक देखा तो हुआ क्या कि वह इनके पास तेजी से भागा आया और कुछ राहत महसूस किया। ओह डॉक्टर, EHA इज द ड्रेसिंग वर्ड, और डॉक्टर आई एम ग्लैड टू सी यू, कहा कि अरे डॉक्टर साहब मैं तो आपको देखकर बहुत खुश हुआ, धन भाग हमारे। आई बीन बैक एंड फॉरवर्ड हियर, आई बीन बैक एंड फॉरवर्ड मीन्स आई एम कम डूइंग हियर फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम टू एंड फ्रो, यहाँ से वहाँ वहाँ से यहाँ कर रहा हूँ लंबे समय से। हियर दिस लास्ट आवर द मिसेस वांट्स ये बिफोर टाइम टू, कह रहा है कि समय से पहले आप यहाँ आ भी नहीं सकते हो और मैं समय से पहले आकर कब से आपका वेट कर रहा हूँ। Andrew abruptly recalled from the contemplation of his own affairs, told Morgan to wait. He went into the house for his bag. Then together they set out for the number 12 Blana Terrace. The night air was cool and deep with quiet mystery. Mystery word use किया गया है, why? Because when Joe Morgan told him all thing about the condition of his wife who was in the delivery condition, present delivery condition, about to give birth a newborn child, and that doctor, this new doctor, that was the Andrew Manson, was to go there and to complete the delivery. Now that was the first case in his life, because he was newly outcome student, no, medical, from medical school, so he was not knowing very well how to complete delivery of a woman. So thou, due to Joe Morgan at his home, doctor became ready to go there and to complete delivery. But night was mystery, means each and everything was uncertain for him. Why? Because he was not well skilled in that work. So what would be, that was the question of absurdity. अस्पष्ट था, पता नहीं था कि क्या होगा. So due to this reason, writer is saying that night was totally mysterious. The two men walked in silence until they, mystery. Usually so perceptive, Andrew now felt dull and listless. Andrew Manson was very worryful and anxietyful. He was thinking what would happen with him, what not. If he would succeed, then he would be bright star. अगर वह सफल हो गया तो उसकी सर्जरी चमक जाएगी. And if he gets failure, then he would have to suffer loss and disrespectfulness from each and everyone. Still less that it would influence his whole future in Blenheim. यहाँ तक वो कह रहा है कि उसे ऐसा लग रहा था कि उसका जो पूरा भविष्य था, कैरियर था डॉक्टरी का, वह इसी केस पे डिपेंड करता, मतलब द होल कैरियर ऑफ द डॉक्टरी सर्जरी of that Andrew was depending totally on this matter, to which he was going to handle and about which he was totally unaware of. The two men walked in silence until they reached the door of number 12. Then Joe drew up short. Drew up short का मतलब होता है stand at the fixed place. When both reached, doctor and Joe Morgan, जो कि उसे बुलाने गया था, वो दोनों, when they reached at the door of the Joe Morgan stood just outside of the door. I shall not come in, he said, and said that he would not go inside of the room, and his voice showed signs of tension. And when he said that he would not enter into the room, his voice was showing some tension in his language, in his voice. दिखा रहा था कि how much he was tensionful there. But man, I know you will do well for us. डॉक्टर कहा कि but man, अरे यार लेकिन चलो तो, लेकिन उसके बाद वो बोला कि नहीं नहीं मैं जानता हूं कि क्या होगा, आप बाद में आइएगा और मैं बाद में जाऊंगा, अभी आप जाइए, मैं जानता हूं कि जो भी आप करेंगे वह मेरे लिए अच्छा ही करेंगे। Inside a narrow stair led up a small bedroom, clean but poorly furnished and lit only by an oil lamp. When doctor entered into the room by leaving and Joe Morgan outside of the room, that is on the door, he saw that oil lamp was lighting and room was clean but poorly furnished. Poorly furnished का मतलब जो मेंटेन्स डेकोरेशन था, that was poor. Here Mrs. Morgan's mother means the mother, that is the mother-in-law of the Joe Morgan. जो मॉर्गन की जो सास थी वो थी वहां पे अपनी उनकी वाइफ के पास. A tall gray-haired woman of nearly 70 and the stout elderly midwife waited beside the patient, watching Andrew's expression as he moved about the room. When doctor entered, he found that there was one aged lady near about 70-year-old, and that lady was also especially gazing at the doctor and observing what each and every gesture and posture of the doctor, activities of the doctor, with the expectation that he would complete delivery successfully. Let me make you a cup of tea, Dr. Batch, said the farmer quickly. Farmer here means the lady who was already in the room. उसके लिए करा, यानी जो लेडीज उस पेशेंट के बगल में बैठी थी, यानी जो मार्गन की मदर इन लॉ, वो कहें कि डॉक्टर बैच, बैच यू कैन से, हाँ डॉक्टर साहब हम लोग कहते हैं ना, दैट इज कॉल्ड डॉक्टर बैच वहाँ. सो कह रहे कि डॉक्टर साहब, आई एम गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर टी टू यू. After a few moments, Andrew smiled faintly. Faintly means slightly. हल्का सा उदास मुस्कुराहट के साथ मुस्कुराया Andrew. He saw that the old woman, wise in experience, realized there must be a period of waiting. That, and when Andrew also saw the condition of that delivering lady, then he found that there was some time, and they had to wait there. And lady was also having the sufficient experience about the delivery, was knowing very well that both of them, doctor and to that lady, that is the mother-in-law of the Joe Morgan, both had to wait for the delivery. So due to that reason, she was going to prepare or bring a cup of tea for the doctor. And he smiled faintly. He saw that the old woman, wise in experience, realized there must be period of waiting, that she was afraid that he would leave the case, saying he would return later. And why did doctor is giving reason that why did that lady say that she was going to bring him a cup of tea? Because she was fearing that seeing late in the delivery, it was possible that doctor might say that he would return back after some time. वह डर गई कि कहीं ऐसा ना कि डॉक्टर कहे कि मैं तो भी जा रहा हूँ और थोड़ी देर में आऊंगा, चूंकि अभी टाइम है. सो वो सोचे कि कप ऑफ टी दे दूंगी तो ये बिजी हो जाएगा पीने में, टाइम भी कुछ बीतेगा. डोंट फ्रेट मदर, FRET, फ्रेट मीन्स फियर, मदर. आई विल नॉट रन अवे. Doctor said that he would not run away, he would not leave that delivering lady in the condition of delivering lady in the risk. He would observe her properly. Down in the kitchen, he drank the tea which she gave him, but that old lady brought a cup of tea, handed over to a doctor, and doctor sipped the cup of tea. Overwrought as he was, he knew he could not snatch even an hour's sleep if he went home. Overwrought means extremely tired. Thou that doctor, novice doctor was. Yet he was knowing that he would not be able to take a peaceful sleep, even a single little bit peaceful sleep in the whole, during the whole night, because he would go at home by giving up the serious case. As he was, he knew he could not snatch even so. He knew too that the case here would demand all his attention, and doctor was knowing very well that case was serious, so that case was demanding for whole attention of that doctor. A queer means strange, अजीब. lethargy of spirit came upon him. Suddenly he realized some sleep, dozziness. He decided to remain until everything was over, but he decided that he would stay there until the complete delivery is not done. An hour later, he went up stairs again, noted the progress made, came down once more, sat by the kitchen fire. It was still except for the rustle of a cinder in the grate. GRAT, great means भट्टी होता है, and the slow tick tock of wall clock. Means these lines are saying that after near about 1 hour, that doctor again went into the room of that lady where that delivering lady was lying. There he observed the progress in the case matter condition, and he found that there was whole silence totally. There was only one thing, that was the noise of the clock and little bit sound of the cinder and heat, भट्टी की और उसमें जो लकड़ियां जल रही थी उनकी आवाज थी. इसके सिवा दैट लेडी वाज लाइंग फेंटली, वो लेडी जो डिलीवरी के कंडीशन में थी वो बेसुध टाइप में पड़ी हुई थी. No, there was another sound, the beat of Morgan's footsteps as he paced in the street outside. And doctor is saying, no, that is here. He is emphasizing that no. Not only the cinder voice and clock voice was there, but more than this, there was one voice and which was showing the responsibility over the doctor. डॉक्टर कह रहा है कि नहीं इन्हीं दो के सिवा एक और आवाज थी जो मुझे सुनाई देती. दैट वाज द फुटस्टेप ऑफ द जो मॉर्गन हु वाज द हस्बैंड ऑफ दैट डिलीवरिंग लेडी. वो जो डिलीवरिंग लेडी का डिलीवरी हो रही थी, उसका हस्बैंड था, वो बाहर फुटस्टेप कर रहा था, उसकी भी आवाज आ रही थी. और वो फुटस्टेप जो थे वो मुझे मेरे अपनी जिम्मेदारियों का एहसास करा रहे थे कि नहीं, आई वाज टू डू दैट. The old woman opposite him sat in her black dress, quite motionless, her eyes strangely alive and wide, probing, never leaving his face. And the old lady who was inside of the room handed over a cup of tea to have to that doctor. That lady, after affording a cup of tea to doctor, sat just before of the doctor and gazing continuously towards the or at the face of the doctor with the hope and expectation that he would complete delivery, he would succeed in giving delivery to his daughter, to her daughter. His thoughts were heavy muddled. Heavy muddled means she was totally doubtful. She was deep into deep thoughts. The episode he had witnessed at Cardiff station still obsessed him morbidly. कह रहे हैं कि he had seen a fact, episode means a fact, on the Cardiff street, and due to that fact, that situation, that doctor was totally in the pressure. He thought of Bramwell, foolishly devoted to a woman who deceived him sordidly. And that doctor was thinking about another doctor named Bramwell, who had deceived to a lady sordidly, means very meanest, in meanest way. Sordidly means तुच्छता, meanestness, अति तुच्छता, मलिनता, हीनता. एंड डिसीटेड मीन्स धोखा दिया. यानी वो ब्राह्मण डॉक्टर के बारे में सोच रहा था जो कि अभी उसी के सामने कैसे एक दूसरी लेडी को ठगा था, धोखा दिया था, कैसे उसका नुकसान किया था. Of Edward Page bound to the Screvish Bloodwen of Denny, living unhappily apart from his wife. His reason told him that all these marriages were dismal failures. कह रहा है कि ये सब जो लव मैरिज है, ये सब all these are the source of failure. ये सब बेकार हो जाती हैं. It was a conclusion which in his present state made him wince. He wished to consider marriage as an idyllic state. Yes. Now, according to doctor, after having seen all the incidents of that Bramwell and other girls and boys, he came to know that, or he had realized that what are the good marriage, that was the arranged marriage are good marriage. So was the thinking of that doctor. Yes, he could not otherwise consider it with the image of Christine before him. her eyes shining towards him, admitted no other conclusion. Her means the eyes of the grandmother. It was the conflict between his level, doubting mind and his overflowing heart which left him resentful and confused. Whenever that doctor looked at the face of that old granny, he became restless, doubtful whether he would succeed or not. He went under the great pressure, psychological pressure in relation to the complete delivery. He let his chin sink upon his chest, stretched out his legs, stared broodingly into the fire. He remained like this so long, and his thoughts were so filled with Christine that he started when the old woman opposite suddenly addressed him. Her meditation had pursued a different course. And by sitting near to the heat, that doctor was gazing continuously on that heat, that is the बत्ती जो जल रही थी उस पे घूर रहा था, देख रहा था. उसके बाद उस लेडी, वह बूढ़ी लेडी थी, उसका ध्यान बार बार इसकी तरफ जा रहा था, देख रही थी इसे, और इस डॉक्टर का ध्यान भी उस लेडी की तरफ बार बार जा रहा था और याद दिला रहा था कि वह किस कंडीशन में है, उसे किस प्रकार का केस हैंडल करना है. In this way, that doctor was continuously conscious about his duty in relation to that delivering lady and the Joe Morgan and that old lady, and he was responsible to complete his study. Complete his case. Suddenly, Susan said not to give her the chloroform if it would harm the baby. Susan was the servant of that home, and he says she was attendant type. She was knowing little bit about delivery, so she suggested to doctor that don't give extra chloroform because it might harm child also. She is awful set upon this child, Dr. Batch. Her old eyes warmed at a sudden thought. She added in a low tone, we all are I fancy. Susan was also fearful in relation to the delivery and child, suggested not to give chloroform to that lady who was in the condition of delivery, and each and everyone was fearing that this chloroform might cause harm to the child also. So beta, I stop here for today. From tomorrow I shall proceed.